Hello students, this is exercise number 84 of the legal dictations and these are the text new words and phrases of this exercise. Sanctioned, part-time, fresh, sentiments, successive, litigious, ineligible, violative, chalky, irrespective, at the outset, Kurda, exercising in the light of 2 or 3 years subsequent, regularized. This is exercise number 84 of legal dictations on the speed of 80 words per minute for 10 minutes. Start. So far as the regularization is concerned, the cases of all such employees who have put in service of 5 years or more shall be immediately taken up for consideration for regularization and scheme for regularization of their services shall be framed and put into effect within a period of 6 months from today. A scheme for regularization of employment of such employees who have not completed 5 years service shall also be framed within a reasonable time by the government. These directions shall be applicable in the cases of all the employees similarly situated working in the hostels under the Social Welfare Department of the state, irrespective of the fact whether such employees have filed petitions in this court or not. The benefit of this order shall be available to only those employees who were in service on the day of filing of petition or the date of this order as the case may be. The writ appeals filed by the state against the said order were dismissed by a division bench by common order dated 16/11/2005. In the last appeal relating to Kurdaram, the writ petition for regularization was dismissed by a learned single judge by order dated 3/5/1999. However, the special appeal filed by the respondent was allowed by order dated 2/12/2005 and the order of termination was set aside following the decision dated 16/8/2004, which is the subject matter of the first 7 appeals. The division bench observed that the respondent's case may be considered in the light of the decision of this court in the pending challenge to the order dated 16/8/2004. Two questions therefore arise for consideration in these appeals: whether persons appointed as superintendents in aided non-governmental hostels are entitled to claim absorption by way of regularization in government service or salary on par with superintendents in government hostels, whether part-time cooks and chowkidars appointed temporarily by mess committees of government hostels with 2 or 3 years service are entitled to regularization by framing a special scheme. We may at the outset refer to the following well settled principles relating to regularization and parity in pay, relevant in the context of these appeals. High courts, in exercising power under Article 226 of the Constitution, will not issue directions for regularization, absorption, or permanent continuance unless the employees claiming regularization had been appointed in pursuance of a regular recruitment in accordance with relevant rules in an open competitive process against sanctioned vacant posts. The equality clause contained in Articles 14 and 16 should be scrupulously followed, and courts should not issue a direction for regularization of services of an employee which would be violative of constitutional scheme. While something that is irregular for want of compliance with one of the elements in the process of selection, which does not go to the root of the process, can be regularized, backdoor entries, appointments contrary to the constitutional scheme, and or appointment of ineligible candidates cannot be regularized. Mere continuation of service by a temporary or ad hoc or daily wage employee under cover of some interim orders of the court would not confer upon him any right to be absorbed into service, as such service would be litigious employment. Even temporary, ad hoc, or daily wage service for a long number of years, let alone service for 1 or 2 years, will not entitle such employee to claim regularization if he is not working against a sanctioned post. Sympathy and sentiment cannot be grounds for passing any order of regularization in the absence of a legal right. Even where a scheme is formulated for regularization with a cut-off date, that is a scheme providing that persons who had put in a specified number of years of service and continuing in employment as on the cut-off date, it is not possible to others who were appointed subsequent to the cut-off date to claim or contend that the scheme should be applied to them by extending the cut-off date or seek a direction for framing of fresh schemes providing for successive cut-off dates. Part-time employees are not entitled to seek regularization as they are not working against any sanctioned posts.